Hello friends, Satish here from Ethical Hacking Tuition Center Jaipur, and you guys are watching my YouTube channel /. So today in this tutorial I am going to discuss about the third part of web penetration testing. Okay, so if you are a web application penetration testing guys, or a cyber expert or a penetration testing you know working employee, if you are working as a penetration tester, this tutorial is for you. But first of all, you must watch the first video how to install no, BW app using Docker, how to use Docker in Kali Linux. So I will send you the link. I will share the link in the description box. Okay, you guys can watch this video first, or you can see in the it will show you on the upper side. So you can watch that video. But I will remind you that if you are not watching that video, you must see this command. Like first of all, you need to download this pentestlab.git. So you have to run this line number 18 command. Then you have to install line number 20. So use install Docker using apt. Okay. And then we are going to use. So what we are going to learn? We are going to set up WebGoat using Docker. What is WebGoat? So actually WebGoat is a deliberately insecure application which is used by the penetration tester or cyber experts or developer to find the vulnerabilities commonly found in Java. Okay. So if you are using a Java based application, or if you are a developer and you are developing Java based application, then this tool is for you. WebGoat is a framework, is a kind of framework which has been deliberately insecure. Okay. So we have deliberately kept this WebGoat insecure, so that developers which are interested in finding bugs, okay, so developers like you or penetration tester or ethical hackers like you test the vulnerabilities commonly found in Java based application. Okay, so that's very simple. Let's see how to start this. So first of all, after doing that, we will see what are the application list of application available in this. So that slash pentestlab.sh list. So you can see WebGoat 7 is here. Okay, so WebGoat 7 is here in the list. Then we can use it. How you can use it? Very simple to use. You just run pentestlab.sh start public, and then WebGoat 7. Similarly, you can run WebGoat 8 or WebGoat 8.1, okay, which is 8.1 actually. So in similar fashion, you can run both WebGoat 7, WebGoat 8, and WebGoat 8.1. Okay. So just you have to, in place of WebGoat 7, you will replace this by WebGoat 8 or WebGoat 8.1. Okay. So I am just running this WebGoat 7, and then you can type the IP address if you want. You can type the IP address if you want. Okay. If you don't want, it's okay. You don't need to do this. So in the next terminal, I have let me open the IP address, see the IP address of this machine. If config, so the IP address of this machine is, this is the Docker IP. Okay, remember this is Docker IP, and we want this IP private IP address 192.168.29.83. Okay, 29.83. So just close this and then type 83 192.168.29.83. This is the IP address of this Kali Linux machine, and then you can put the port number like 8080, suppose. Okay, so WebGoat is running. Just wait. So it's downloading some of the application. Okay, that's done. Once done, you just guys can see this very easy now. Okay, to run. So you can see this link. So this is the link. You just copy this link, copy, and open the browser. In the browser, just paste IP address and the port number 8080 and just wait. Okay, it's not working. Then again go to the terminal, see the other link, this one. Copy selection, close this one, and type that link. It's saying we have problem getting the sites. Just click on try again. Still it's not working. So what we will do? We will stop it. Okay. So pentest lab, stop WebGoat 7. Okay. Now we will use the simple method. Just start and no IP address, just WebGoat 7. Okay. Now it's giving us this link. So copy this link, go to the browser, and just paste this in the browser. WebGoat 7. And you can see still it's not working. Okay, still it's not working. So now again we are going to use the same technique, the before one, this one. Start public WebGoat 7 IP address and the port number. Okay, and now we are going to type this one again. So it's not opening. Let's check whether some third-party applications are running or not. So web test list. Okay, see, we have to see the status. Which one is running? Okay, WebGoat 7.1 is running. WebGoat 7.1 is running as a public. Okay, okay, it's running as a public. So we have to test. We have to see the link like this one. We can try. Okay, here it is. So you can see finally we are able to log in. 127.6.0.1 WebGoat login.mbc. Okay, so you can see by default you can see the username is guest and the password is guest. We have another user for admin WebGoat and WebGoat. So if you just type WebGoat and the password WebGoat and you can sign in. Okay, so this is the login panel. Remember, this is a application. Okay, this is a vulnerable application, you can say. It means we have configured by default, this application has been configured insecure, in an insecure way. Okay, because so that the developers which are interested in finding the bugs in Java based applications, they can try their skills on this one. Okay, so this is basically for the developers which are interested in finding the vulnerabilities commonly found in Java based application. Okay, so this is just for Java based application. So if you using that thing, all these things you can see: Ajax based security, so many things, insecure client tester, dangerous use of email, authentication flaws, everything, code quality, everything. So if you want to read this, you can also read this about WebGoat, what kind of information this gave, and where this can be used, why people are using this WebGoat, why developers are so much interested in this WebGoat. Okay, so one by one you guys can practice this one in a very easy way, and it will be easy for you. Okay, hope to see you again in the next video, and then I will show you in the next coming video how to find the vulnerabilities. Okay, inside this, how to use these applications, how to use these options in detail. Okay, till then, enjoy and keep watching, keep enjoying. Thank you for watching.